Welcome to the ASL Kids Club. Are you ready to test your knowledge of food signs? Watch the sign, guess the food, and challenge yourself. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun sign language quizzes. Let's start. Guess the food from the sign. Yes, it is soup. Can you guess this food sign? Great, it's tomato. Can you figure out this food sign? Well done, it's milk. What do you think this sign means? It's water. Which food is signing here? Yes, it's banana. Try to guess this food. Brilliant! It's juice. Can you guess this food? Orange. What does this sign represent? It's chicken. Try to guess this food. Great, it's carrot. What do you think this sign means? Correct. It's cereal. Which food is signing here? It's ice cream. Can you guess this food sign? Well done. It's grapes. Try to guess this food. It's cookies. Can you guess this food? Sandwich. Which food is signing here? Brilliant! It's burger. What do you think this sign means? Yes, it's pizza. Can you guess this food sign? It's apple. Can you figure out this food sign? Great. It's potato. Can you guess this food sign? It's salad. Can you guess this food sign? Correct. It's cheese.